Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Chad.
And my name's Layla, but you've already seen me before.
That's right. Well, we're here from Holiday Motors, and we want to show you this 2013 Dodge Challenger RT that we just picked up. We traded this car in on a ProCharge 2016 Challenger. And does it sound good?
Sounds amazing.
Sounds amazing. Well, this car's got some aftermarket upgrades to it. It's got the long tube headers, does have the high flow catalytic converters, and then a 3-inch exhaust all the way back. I'll go ahead to the back of it, Layla. You want to go ahead and fire it up?
Yep.
You gotta push the brake.
I know, it's on the brake.
Push the brake harder. Oh, I've got the key. That would help. Sounds great, huh? Of course, this is a plus, so you can see it does have the leather interior. This one also has the power sunroof in it.
Honestly, so I love this car. I don't want to sell it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, we don't have a problem with that. Had the engine intake. It's kind of hard to see these headers through here. There you can see the long tubes. The high flow cats.
This is definitely one of my favorite cars.
You've always been a fan of the Challengers, haven't you?
Yeah. For every car that's good.
Of course, they upgraded the touchscreen Boss stereo in it. Got the heated seats, and then this car has. Let's see where are we at. I won't show the odometer until the door is shut here. All right, 126. And again, we traded this in on another RT that we had, but that car was custom built with a ProCharger on it. That was a 16 with only 29,000 miles on it, but very well taken care of is this one here with 126. Super nice car. We've got it available for you here. Where are we? Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. You can check us out online at holidaymotors.com.
Do we have to sell this?
Yeah, baby, that's what we do. We don't fall in love with none of them. But that's another thing that we do. We like our cars well enough that we can stand behind them and represent them the way that they're supposed to be. And we've done that since 1974. And you can come and check it out in person, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. We've got a ton of great financing available. Always top dollar for your trades. And we appreciate you watching as always. Come see us.